Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas of gold for intraday trading. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So this is the gold chart. We did this analysis in our yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel and watch that video. We did this analysis in our previous video, and we said that we will open a buy trade from this supply area, and we are looking for sell trade in this supply area and in this supply area also. And if market break this support level, then we will open a sell trade. So market was almost, I think, here when we did this analysis. So market did front run of this supply area. We missed this trade, but market move according to our predictions, so it goes very nice. So basically today we are looking for just remove this arrow. So today we are looking for a sell trade from this supply area. Market two times did front run of this supply area, so I think this supply will not work next time. So if market hold this support level, then there's not clear buy trade from this support level. That's why we will not open any buy trade. If market break this support level, this is on H4 time frame. You can see here we draw this support level in our previous video. If you did not watch that video, you can watch that video from our YouTube channel. Okay, so we are looking for a sell trade below this support level. If market break this support level, then there's a high probability chance that market will go towards this support level. And if market hold this support level, just remove this arrow. If market hold this support level, then there is a high probability chance that market will go towards this supply area. Then we will open a sell trade from the supply area towards this level. So this can happen. Let's see what will happen. In this range we will not open and trade. Let's see if we find any trade, then we will open. Otherwise, right now there's not a clear move in this range area. Basically we are looking for a sell trade below this support level and sell from this supply area. Let's see which trade we will get. So these are the trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. We upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBP/USD and GBP/JPY for intraday trading. And if you are looking for best forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you in next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.